Using CreditSaint credit tips can significantly improve your financial health by providing you with the tools and knowledge to manage your credit effectively. The first step is understanding what credit is and how it affects your financial standing. Credit refers to the ability to borrow money or access goods and services without immediate payment, based on the trust that you will pay later. To start using CreditSaint credit tips, you need to check your credit report to identify areas that need improvement. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including payments, accounts, and credit inquiries. CreditSaint provides you with the means to access and understand your credit report, which is essential for making informed decisions about your financial future. One of the key concepts to grasp is the credit score, a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. CreditSaint credit tips offer guidance on how to improve your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries. For example, setting up payment reminders and automating your payments can help you avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Another crucial aspect of CreditSaint credit tips is learning how to manage debt effectively. This includes creating a budget, prioritizing debts, and negotiating with creditors when necessary. By following these tips, you can reduce your debt-to-income ratio, which is a significant factor in determining your credit score. Best practices for using CreditSaint credit tips include regularly monitoring your credit report for errors or inaccuracies, keeping credit utilization below 30%, and avoiding new credit inquiries when possible. By following these guidelines, you can maintain a healthy credit profile and enjoy better financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates and higher credit limits. In conclusion, using CreditSaint credit tips is an effective way to take control of your financial situation and improve your credit standing. By understanding your credit report, improving your credit score, managing debt, and following best practices, you can achieve long-term financial stability and security. Remember, managing your credit is an ongoing process that requires effort and dedication. But with the right guidance, you can make informed decisions and secure a brighter financial future.